Hey guys, it's Gribbz. So I wanted to come on here and just talk about a little bit of Series 2 that I'm launching. I'm working on it currently this month. Today is 11/11/21, November. I'm going to be using a lot of other videos from different channels to help bring ideas together and really good examples that I myself cannot possibly show you, but with the help of playlists I will be able to do this. So I will be, like I said, stringing other videos together from other channels, and then in between these videos they're all going to go in order, so make sure you follow them one by one. Every video, by the way, I've watched all the way through thoroughly, starting with the Melbourne Shuffle documentary, which if you haven't watched that yet, I want you to watch it, because the basis of everything that I'm doing is about freestyle dance, okay? You can do choreography too. We'll get into that later down the road, but I want you to learn to get into freestyle, to be your own person, be your own dancer, move how you want to move, express how you want to express. So that's going to start with the Melbourne Shuffle documentary, which will explain a lot of the culture of the scene in Melbourne, where this dance came from, and just about how amazing, how fun the Melbourne Shuffle is. And you'll see how far it's come from then till now, because a lot of the moves have changed, like the T-step and stuff like that, but like I don't see a lot of people dancing the way they used to dance back then. So cultural differences and all that, you'll see what I mean. Definitely watch that video after this one, and then continue down the playlist and watch the rest of them. And I want you to work on these things that I'm going to be talking about. This is a lot about music theory, okay, and diving deeper into what that is, and everything that I'm going to be sharing. Other channels, really amazing, well done videos, as well as my tidbits of like information and what I'll be explaining in between those videos as well. I'll be trying my best to apply that to shuffling and just dance and leveling up your mind, and becoming musical overall. I will be inserting little pieces in between as you go down the playlist, okay? Best way I can explain it. Otherwise, yeah, that's it. This series is going to be basically how to become more musical, rhythm, musicality, how to count music, and much more to come. There's a couple of good. There's one documentary in the beginning, and there's another good video I want you guys to watch called Stomp. It's free on YouTube. It'll be down there. When you get to it, go ahead and watch it. You'll understand the meaning behind it once you watch it. But I think that's it for now. Yeah, I should be finished with this series by the end of November. I want to try and get it done earlier, if possible. That way you guys can have this and start planning, into December and then into the new year, because the new year is a great year to make shuffle goals, dance goals, life goals. So I'm working very hard, day by day, to get some good material out there that will help you level up your dance and your shuffling. So that's all I have for now, though. Enjoy Series 2. Hope you guys like it. There's a lot of really brilliant minds and dancers that I'm putting together into this. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Take care. Later.